A quick easy one today, how to use leftover resin to make magic potions. For this we'll need some lovely little tiny jars. You can get them off Etsy or the big site Amazon, and keep these on hand whenever you have leftover resin. They're very tiny and very cute. I've got this blue resin left over from some projects, and I'm just going to pour it very carefully into these tiny jars. And some I'll fill to the top, some I might not. It depends on your preference. I like a mix, and these make lovely little gifts to give to anyone you want, or just pop them on a keychain. So be careful not to overflow the jar. And this resin's getting quite thick already, so I'm being very careful with spillage. Pop the lid on, and some of the resin might have coated it, so that will stick it in place just around the rim. Have a look at that. All done. Very cute, lovely gifts, and just nice to have around the home sometimes as well. And there you have it. Very easy little magic potions.